who would you credit the success to? There must be a lot of people who have been behind this whole training process.
Definitely. I think since the day I was crowned, I was totally working towards preparing myself for the pageant. And so many people, like my gym instructor, Mr. Sameer Purohit, and then my ramp walk trainer there's so many people, my skincare expert, Dr. Pai, Alicia Roth, my ramp walk trainer. So I think, and my creative director, Mr. Mark Robinson. But these were the expertise panel. But I think my mother, who was my pillar of strength, and I think she is an inspiration in a way that I was putting in so much of effort only to make her proud. And I think she was the biggest source of strength and, inspiration for me.
Well, you made a lot of people proud, and I'm sure your family members and relatives are one of them. So, in fact, we spoke with them, and let's see what Vanya's family and close friends have to say for her.
नहीं, मेरी उम्मीद तो मैं जब वो वर्ल्ड में गई थी, मैं उससे भी बहुत खुश थी। तो मैं तो सुबह से यही कह रही हूँ कि मेरे लिए तो ऑलरेडी वो मिस वर्ल्ड है, जो रिजल्ट कुछ भी हो। लेकिन वो टॉप 7 तक आ गई, लेकिन वो इतना अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस उसने दिया कि मैं उससे थोड़ी उम्मीद मुझे और ज्यादा हो गई थी कि अभी जब यहाँ तक आ गई है तो हो सकता है वो फर्स्ट भी आ जाए। बट आई थिंक टॉप 7 इज कोई बुरी वो नहीं है, बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस है उसका। आउट ऑफ 118 कंटेस्टेंट्स टॉप 7 आना इज द बिग थिंग। इस तरह से उसने उस लेवल पे आके अपने कोप अप किया है बाकी चीजों के साथ, दैट इज very, very good.
We thought that this whole contemporary mujra that we were planning to do came out very well, and it's something that we would depict in our own style, and I was very sure that she would pull it off because it just needs the ada, and she had the right body language, and it's also a way for her to Bollywood. Maybe this is a way to Bollywood.
Hats off to Vanya. After so many years, she managed to get 2 subtitles, Beauty with Purpose and Social Network, and she did manage to reach in top 7. So it's a really huge thing. We are getting there.
Bagging 2 honors, being the top 7 in the top 7 list. So, did you always dream of being Miss India and going all the way to Miss World? I mean, from Chandigarh to this level. I mean, it's been a long journey.
Definitely. Even if you see my interview at the Miss World, I was telling the judges there as well that it's always been a dream. I had 2 dreams. I always wanted to study well. I was very much into my academics, and I wanted to become an engineer, and I wanted to become a Miss India. Miss World, it's a very big stage, it's a very huge honor, and I'm honored enough to be a part of this journey, and it's the first and the last opportunity that I got this year. It's been a long journey, honestly. If I look back at the past 5 months, there was a time when I called up my mother and I said, I don't think so, this is the field for me to be in. And that time I was actually at the wildcard competition through which I entered into the Miss India finals this year. And I said, if I don't win the wildcard entry, then how can I think of becoming a Miss India? Right. And today I'm here sitting, being one of the top 7 finalists at Miss World. So I think it's been a long journey.
So on that very emotional note, let's look at Vanya's journey from being one of us to reaching the Miss India World title.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम है वान्या मिश्रा। मैं 20 साल की हूँ। आई कम फ्रॉम द ब्यूटीफुल सिटी ऑफ चंडीगढ़। मैं करंटली बीटेक कर रही हूँ पंजाब इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज से। मुझे बैडमिंटन खेलना बहुत पसंद है। मुझे डांस करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है। आई लव टू गो आउट टू मूवीज विद माई फ्रेंड्स। मैं एक गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट स्केटर रह चुकी हूँ एंड जूडो कराटे भी सीख चुकी हूँ। ट्रैवलिंग करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है and I wish I get to do a lot more in the future. And मेरा ये मानना है कि my self-belief, confidence and determination will help me to achieve my goal.
So Vanya, it's been a very difficult, challenging, exciting journey for you. So what's next? Are you looking at Bollywood, or since you're big on social work, would you take up that?
I'm still in my college and I really wanted to enjoy my college life as well at the same time.
Right.
I've been working hard a lot since a lot of months. I think for the next few months I may just want to relax, but I think work will go side by side. Today's woman is a multitasker. She doesn't have one single dream or one single focus, and I think I'm one of them. I would like to complete my studies for sure, and then Bollywood, yes, because all these women who've made it so big inspire me, and I think Bollywood is very exciting as well. Because when I was there at Miss World, people would ask me, like one of these girls, Dominican Republic, she was in my group, she was like, oh, I was watching this movie and there were two very hot Indian actors. What was the movie's name? Desi Boys. I was like, yes, Akshay Kumar. Yeah. Oh my God, if you ever meet them, please make me meet them. They're so hot. So, you know, people love Bollywood outside, and of course, when they asked me, so are you going to be in Bollywood too? I was so surprised everyone knows about it, and I think, why not? It's a very exciting field, so yes, maybe.
Bollywood is maybe the next thing. Okay, Vanya, thank you so much for talking to us and joining us in the studios today. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And good luck for all that's in store.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.